3 October 2017 Text I hope AllwoodPhotographyArnaud Lafeuillade. The final day of PFW is here, which means one thing, the latest awe-inspiring Chanel show. For ss18, King Carl transformed the Grand Palace once again. Was it a lagoon? Was it a jungle? Who knows? What we do know is that it was impressive. Here are the highlights from the show. The set. It goes without saying that the Chanel sets are beyond. This season, guests sat facing a 40-feet faux rock face with water cascading down its face and splashing into the pool below. Yes, we did get wet. Sadly, there were no free ponchos though, but we did score some perfume. Led by Kaya Gerber, models strutted out to the sound of Bjork in what began as the Chanel take on safari gear, if you count a plastic mini-skirt as jungle appropriate. There were buckle jackets which had mossy threads coming off them, and transparent plastic safari hats. This collection has it all: swimwear, blindingly sparkling jewelry. One pair of earrings with bling cascading from the CC logo was particularly notable. A huge collection as always. The 90 looks also featured ethereal chiffon gowns, and of course tweed power suits, this time covered in transparent max. See-through rain max and hoods, bags, gloves, nothing was spared the plastic treatment. The models even wore ponytails threaded through perspex tubes. As for those thigh-high boots, they were in see-through PVC, with the classic fabric Chanel toe cap and heel, and also available in a knee-high version. Prepare to see them everywhere. Carl's godson wore a shiny plastic baseball cap and tweed suit, and could barely stop himself from looking at the splashing water around him. He came out with the man himself at the end, closing the show with a wave. Remember when Chanel did big logos back in the early 2MID00s? Branding got supersized here, with a house name stamped across handbags and bracelets. The iconic logo this time was reimagined in white and gray, printed on coats and bags, an updated version of Logomania. Also notable, the see-through accessories completed with beach-weld CCs that hung down from them. You might want to be careful with what you pack in the transparent bag though.